Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make butter steak. First, select a quality steak, ideally 1.5 inches thick or more, like a ribeye or New York strip. Ensure your steak is completely dry by patting it thoroughly with paper towels. This is crucial for a good crust. Then, season all sides of the steak liberally with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper. This initial preparation sets the foundation for an incredibly flavorful and tender steak. Now let's get that incredible sear. Place a cast iron skillet over high heat and let it get screaming hot, almost smoking. Add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, like grapeseed or avocado oil, to the pan. Carefully place your seasoned steak into the hot oil. Sear each side for 2 to 3 minutes, developing a rich, dark brown crust. Don't move the steak too much during this stage. Let the heat work its magic. Once seared, reduce the heat to medium. Add 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter to the pan, along with a few smashed garlic cloves and sprigs of fresh thyme or rosemary. As the butter melts and foams, tilt the pan slightly. Use a spoon to continuously baste the steak with the flavorful butter, ensuring it coats every surface. Continue basting for 1 to 2 minutes, allowing the aromatics to infuse the steak with their delicious essence. After basting, remove the steak from the pan and place it on a cutting board. It's vital to let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a tender and moist result. While it rests, check the description for a link to amazing leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Finally, slice your perfectly cooked butter steak against the grain and serve immediately. Enjoy your incredibly delicious, restaurant-quality meal.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.